Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a device that's been making some serious waves in the health tech world, the Ultrahuman Ring Air. If you've been looking for a smart ring that tracks your sleep, activity, recovery, and overall well-being, perhaps even without a monthly subscription, then you're in the right place. In this comprehensive review, I'll cover everything from buying and sizing to setup, app features, battery life, and of course, the big pros and cons. So let's jump right in. First things first, where can you get your hands on this sleek piece of tech, and what's it going to cost you? The Ultrahuman Ring Air is primarily purchased directly from the official Ultrahuman website. They ship globally, and the process is pretty straightforward. Now for the price. As of recording, the Ultrahuman Ring Air typically retails around $349. While that's a significant investment up front, here's a crucial point that sets it apart. There is no monthly subscription fee for core features. You buy the ring, and you own the data and insights, which is a huge benefit compared to some competitors like Oura Ring. Generally, this is a one-time purchase, and that's a big win for many. If you decide to purchase the ring, remember to use the discount code I've provided in the video pinned comment or description. Sometimes there may be additional discounts or offers, so please check the latest link and discount code. Before you can even wear your new smart ring, you need to get the sizing right, and it's absolutely crucial for accurate data. Ultrahuman understands this, which is why they offer a dedicated sizing kit. When you place your order, you usually have the option to receive a free sizing kit first. This kit comes with a sample ring color guide and plastic dummy rings in all available sizes. You'll want to wear these for at least 48 hours, ideally on your index or middle finger, as that's generally recommended for best sensor contact. The goal is a snug fit, not so tight it cuts off circulation, but snug enough that it doesn't spin freely. It should feel comfortable, especially when your hands swell slightly throughout the day or overnight. Take your time with this step. A well-fitting ring means more accurate data, particularly for sleep and heart rate variability. Once you've found your perfect size, you simply confirm it on their website, and your actual Ring Air is dispatched. Alright, the sizing kit is done, the order is confirmed, and now the exciting part, the actual unboxing. The Ultrahuman Ring Air arrives in a very sleek, minimalist package. It immediately feels like a premium product. Inside, you'll find the Ring Air itself, the charging cradle, and a braided USB-C cable. Some documentation like the user manual, getting started guide, and charging instructions. My first impression of the ring is just how incredibly lightweight it is, hence the Air in its name. It's made from a titanium alloy, which makes it durable but also very comfortable. You honestly barely feel it on your finger. The design is understated and elegant, fitting well with any attire. It has a smooth, matte finish, and on the inside, you can clearly see the advanced sensors that will be tracking all your vital metrics. Putting it on, it feels just right. After wearing the sizing kit, I knew what to expect, and the final product is exactly that, a comfortable, barely there smart ring. So, you've got the ring, now let's get it set up and ready to collect data. The process is pretty straightforward. Plug the ring charging dock into a power source using the provided USB-C cable. Place your Ultrahuman Ring Air on the charging dock, making sure it is aligned properly. Charge it for at least 30 minutes before pairing with the app. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is switched on. Download the latest Ultrahuman app from Play Store or App Store. Launch the Ultrahuman app. The app requires notifications to be switched on for these features. Tap Allow when prompted. Tap the Ring tab. The app is prompting login options via Google or Facebook. Login allows you to track activities and premium content across all your devices. Once logged in, tap the Ring tab again. This is a step-by-step instructions to charge the ring, and I have done this earlier. Next, the app requests for location access. Allow while using the app. Next is connection to nearby devices. Tap Allow. Now, you'll need to wait for the app to connect to the ring. But sometimes it may take longer than usual. So follow the screen instructions and flip the ring on the charger. When the ring is detected, it will appear on the screen. Tap to select it. For the Bluetooth pairing request, tap Pair. Once the ring is connected successfully, tap the Start My Journey button to get started. The app is now prompting to switch to chill mode for longer battery life. This can also be changed later in settings, so I will stay in the current mode. Next is the phone battery optimization setting. To enable the Ultrahuman app to run in the background, tap Allow. Once that's done, you're pretty much ready to go. Put the ring on, and it will start tracking immediately. It's recommended to wear it for at least a full 24 hours, including a night's sleep, before expecting to see meaningful data. Using the Ultrahuman Ring Air itself is incredibly simple. You just wear it. The ring continuously and passively collects data throughout your day and night. The real magic happens within the Ultrahuman app. The app is your command center for all your health insights. The main dashboard gives you an immediate overview of your key scores: movement, stress rhythm, caffeine window, sleep, and dynamic recovery. These are your high-level indicators of how well you're doing. Tapping into each section reveals a wealth of detailed information. The app does an excellent job of presenting complex data in an understandable way, with clear graphs and daily summaries. You don't need to be a data scientist to get value from it. It's designed to give you actionable insights, not just raw numbers. So, what exactly can this tiny ring do for you? The Ultrahuman Ring Air and its app is packed with features designed to give you a holistic view of your health and help you optimize your well-being. Advanced sleep tracking, which is a major highlight. It accurately tracks your sleep duration, latency, disturbances, efficiency, and all your sleep stages: REM, deep, and light. It even helps you understand your optimal sleep window. Dynamic recovery and heart rate variability, HRV, is a critical metric for recovery and stress. The ring provides continuous HRV monitoring, helping you gauge your body's readiness for physical and mental challenges. Resting heart rate, RHR, is a key indicator of cardiovascular health and recovery. Body temperature tracking. The Ring Air measures your skin temperature variations, which can be useful for detecting illness, tracking menstrual cycles, or understanding environmental impact on your body. Movement and activity tracking tracks steps, active calories, active minutes, and overall activity levels throughout the day, offering insights into your daily activity patterns and ensuring you meet your fitness goals. Stress rhythm tracks and displays your stress timeline, whether you're stressed, stimulated, relaxed, or sympathetic activation. Sleep debt tracks and displays if you have sufficient sleep. Here it shows there's a surplus. Circadian phase alignment is a more advanced feature that helps you understand how your sleep-wake cycles align with daylight and darkness, offering guidance to optimize your energy levels. The benefits are clear: better sleep, optimized recovery, proactive health insights, and a deeper understanding of your body's signals, all delivered in a discreet, comfortable package. Brain waste clearance tracks glymphatic clearance, which is the brain waste removal system which happens during sleep. Cardio fitness workout tracking. While not a dedicated GPS running watch, it can track basic workout duration and heart rate during exercise. Power plugs allow you to supercharge your Ring Air's experience by adding more advanced features. There are free and paid power plugs to choose from. Available are add-ons for women's health, productivity, longevity, and performance. Future add-ons are also listed under coming soon. No subscription model. As I've mentioned, it is a huge benefit. Full access to all your data and insights without recurring fees. Lightweight and durable design. Made from titanium, the ring is incredibly light and tough enough for daily wear without getting in the way. Battery life is a common concern with any wearable, especially something as small as a smart ring. The Ultrahuman Ring Air truly shines here. Ultrahuman claims up to 6 days of battery life on a single charge. In my testing, I found this to be largely accurate. The actual battery usage comes to around 5 to 6 days before needing to recharge. Charging is quick and easy using the included magnetic cradle. What this means in practical terms is that you don't have to worry about charging it every single day. You can easily go for several days, almost a full week, without thinking about it. I typically charge mine while I'm showering or doing gardening once or twice a week, and it's barely noticeable. This is fantastic for continuous tracking, ensuring you don't miss out on valuable data, especially overnight. Alright, let's wrap this up with a balanced look at the Ultrahuman Ring Air's main pros and cons. Let's look at the pros. No subscription fee. This is probably the biggest advantage and a huge money saver long term. Incredibly lightweight and comfortable. You truly forget you're wearing it, which is essential for 24/7 tracking. Excellent battery life. Up to 6 days means less frequent charging and more continuous data. Comprehensive health tracking. Offers detailed insights into sleep, recovery, activity, HRV, body temperature, and more. User-friendly and insightful app. The app is beautifully designed, easy to navigate, and provides actionable recommendations. Durable titanium build. Feels premium and built to last. Focus on circadian rhythms. Unique features like circadian phase alignment add an extra layer of health optimization. Accurate data. In my experience, the data collected is very consistent and reliable. Now let's see the cons. Higher upfront cost. While no subscription is great, the initial price point can be a barrier for some. Proprietary charger. If you lose it, you'll need to buy a replacement specifically from Ultrahuman. No screen or notifications. This is inherent to smart rings, but if you're coming from a smartwatch, you might miss glanceable information or vibration alerts. Limited workout tracking. It's not a GPS sports watch. It tracks heart rate during workouts but lacks advanced metrics for serious athletes. Sizing kit delay. While necessary, receiving and confirming the sizing kit does add a bit of time to getting the actual ring. So after all that, who is the Ultrahuman Ring Air for? If you're looking for a discreet, comfortable wearable that provides deep insights into your sleep, recovery, and overall well-being, all without a recurring monthly fee, then the Ultrahuman Ring Air is an absolutely fantastic option. It goes head-to-head with the best in the market, and in some areas, like its subscription model and sheer comfort, it clearly pulls ahead. I've been genuinely impressed with its performance, the depth of its data, and the actionable insights the app provides. If you're serious about optimizing your health and want a subtle yet powerful tool to help you do it, I can highly recommend the Ultrahuman Ring Air. What are your thoughts? Have you tried the Ultrahuman Ring Air, or are you considering one? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.